The nice thing for all of our students is that they emerge fully trained in remote working policies.
The remote work is part of the future.
Yeah, I mean, learning remotely with the Code Institute was really beneficial. It was actually something that came up in my interview for my job.
A learning experience like this is brilliant for learning the habits that you'll need for remote working.
The candidates that is right now going through the Code Institute system are going to be much more prepared.
It's interesting, in the last number of weeks we've seen had approaches from a number of companies who are interested in maybe transitioning into a remote working environment.
They have chosen to become a coder through Code Institute in the middle of a career, and they are doing that remotely. So they are going to be well prepared for the situation out on the market space, especially for the future when the demands is so high, and their knowledge, not just only from the coding environment, but also the environment that they have actually chosen to go into the Code Institute. So it's a huge advantage for them.